There's no doubt the Poco X7 Pro 5G is packed with some seriously amazing features. From its stunning 6.67 AMOLED display to its powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor, this device screams performance. The 120Hz refresh rate promises smooth interface, and with up to 12GB of RAM and 512 storage, it's clear this phone is built to perform. But here's the thing, everyone is talking about the positive. What about the detail that aren't getting enough attention? Is this phone truly worth the price tag? Or are there some trade-offs you should know about? I'm here to give you a clear picture of the Poco X7 Pro 5G, highlighting not just the good but also the overlooked detail. Trust me, this review is going to be unique. Now here's a question for you. Can a phone priced at $384.99, equivalent to 600,000 naira in Nigeria, deliver a premium experience without breaking the bank? What if I told you that there might be a few surprises about this device that could change your perception completely? Stick around, because I will not just uncover the truth about the Poco X7 Pro 5G, but I will also help you decide whether it's worth your hard-earned money. And if this is your first time watching my video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's one of the ways you appreciate what you're about to watch, and it also helps the channel grow. Let's begin with the basic, and it comes in black, green and yellow. Now these color options are bold yet classic, giving you both professional and trendy vibe. Which color will you personally go for? Let me know in the comments. Next, we have one of the standard features of this device, the 6.76-inch AMOLED display. The 2712 at 1220 resolution means you are getting incredibly crisp visual, and the 120Hz refresh rate ensures battery smooth scrolling and gaming. What about durability? Well, the screen is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, which is among the toughest out there. On top of that, it's IP68 dust and water resistant, which means accidental splashes or even a brief dunk in water won't be an issue. At just 195 grams, this phone feels lightweight but sturdy. Yeah, quick question for you. Will you trust a phone at this price to have a such durable build? Let me know what you think in the comments. Network and connectivity. As for connectivity, the Poco X7 Pro 5G supports everything you expect in 2025. 2G, 3G, 4G, and of course, blazing fast 5G. There's a Wi-Fi, dual-SIM support, Bluetooth, NFC, and a Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Simply put, it checks all boxes for a modern smartphone. Camera. The camera setup is impressive on paper. The 50-megapixel main camera paired with 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera promise excellent photography. The 20-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfie and video calls. But here is the reality checks. Megapixels aren't everything. What really matters is the software optimization behind the cameras. Stay tuned, because I will share real-world expression in my future videos, including how well the camera performs in low-light conditions. Memory and storage. Memory options include 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, and it also has a 12GB of RAM with a 256GB of storage. And the max out version comes with a 12GB of RAM with a 512GB of storage. The price differences between these versions is noticeable. For the 256GB version, it comes at the rate of $354, which is equivalent to 538,000 naira to 550,000 naira. And for the 512GB version, it comes at the rate of $384.99, which is equals to 580,000 naira to 600,000 naira in Nigeria. The question is, do you really need the 512GB version, or are you okay with the 256GB version? What will you go for? Let's discuss this in the comments. Battery. Here is a game changer. The 6000 mAh battery is paired with a 90W hyper charge technology. This phone can easily last a full day of heavy use, and with the included 90W charger, you are back to 100% in record time. Plus, it uses a Type-C charging port. No surprise there. Fun fact, some flagship phones still don't include charger in the box, but Poco delivers the full package. Running on Android 15, the Xiaomi Hyper operating system too. This phone promises a clean and feature-rich software experience. Under the hood is the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor, which is built for performance and efficiency. Whether you are multitasking or gaming, this processor can handle it all. Now, what's inside the box? In the box, you'll find the Poco X7 Pro 5G itself, a 90W adapter, a USB Type-C cable, SIM injector tools, protective case, safety information, and a quick start guide. It's refreshing to see brands still include useful accessories without cutting corners. Now let's wrap this up. The Poco X7 Pro 5G is undeniably an amazing phone, but is it the best choice for you? With prices starting at $354, which is equivalent to 538,000 naira here in Nigeria. It's a premium mid-range phone with flagship-like features, but before you buy, ask yourself, are the 50 megapixel camera enough for your photography needs? Does the 6000 mAh battery match your daily demands? And most importantly, does this price fit your budget? Drop your answer in the comment section below. I do love to know what you think. And before you go, please do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. You don't want to miss out on my full in-depth review. Now that you've known the spec and the prices, do you think you have the full picture? Or is there something about the Poco X7 Pro 5G you might still be missing? Stick around for my next video where I will dive deeper into the performance and camera quality. Until then, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.